Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. The show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got one that came out of a Zen Pop box. Go to Zen Pop box. Go to zenpop.jp and enter in the coupon code the Ramen Raider and get yourself a discount if that floats your boat. This is Maruchan Akai Tanuki Udon. So it's red. The other, well, originally it's Midori no Tanuki Udon. So it's got a tempura disc, but usually the one that's red has tofu. So let's do this. Some little weird bits from the cup. And the noodle block. Honestly, I'm never have I been a fan of the dried udon. I gotta say, it's just never done it for me. But we'll see how it goes. That's for sure. Couple sachets. These sheets, you mean? Certainly looks that way. And then I'm gonna give it a stir. I'm sure it's soaked up a bit. So no, we haven't soaked up yet. Come on, guys. Come on. Oh, I should start in 5 minutes. But, yeah. What a day. There we go. So I'm just kind of like loosening it up. What I always do is just slap the tempura block on at the very end. So it's still crispity, crunchy. But I'm not doing that today. I'm bucking the trend. You hear that? I'm bucking the trend. On top now. All right, let's do our quote of the day from the book Momofuku Ando Speaks. These are quotations from the man who invented the instant noodle way back in 1958 in Japan. However, he was invented in Taiwan. Quote number 23. An excellent venture business creates a new market and offers employment opportunities for many people. That's cool. So what's going on today? Got 3 reviews in the can and done with this now, and got an hour to kill, so I think I'm gonna walk around a bunch, although I could do that. Maybe I should do that. I've got 2 unboxing videos I need to do. No, I don't want to do that. I'm not in the mood for that. I gotta be in the right mood for unboxing videos, which means I have to do it in the morning. I don't want to do it in the morning. God, man. It's hard being the Ramen Raider. Being all responsible and such, and doing reviews, and getting posts ready, and fielding comments, and questions, and trying to walk 15 miles every day. It's really hard. I can't fit everything I want to do into 24 hours. That's why I'm advocating for the 36-hour day. We just need to kick the moon a little bit further out, kick ourselves a little bit further away from the sun. I know. It'll be colder, but it builds character. And if you walk around in the cold, you burn more calories. So there is that. I think we're all just a little too comfortable, don't you? Anyways, that's not going to happen. So don't worry. I'm not going to change the cosmological constant. I'm not going to change the gravimetric qualities of the physical universe. Maybe one of these days, but I'm not into that today. That's just a little too intrusive on you guys. And I do this for myself, but I like y'all, so that's. Oh yeah, and I've got a meeting. I have a meeting. I'm an adult. At least that's what they call me. I don't feel like an adult. I think in truth, there is no beauty, and in truth, there are none of us are adults. We're just kids with more years on us. And what society deems me as an adult and a parent, although I learn a lot from my kids. As an adult and parent, I have this meeting I have to do today, which is cool. All of his teachers and stuff are great, but it's for get him into summer school. So he'll get to ride on the bus and all that good stuff. So, and while he's at school, I can do all sorts of crazy stuff, like putting me in the stroller, which he really is too big for, and running around town playing Chinese rap. That's kind of stuff I like to do. But yeah, and come fall, when she's in school and he's in school, hold on to your butts, folks. The old style top 10 list videos will probably be returning. So there'll be a green screen, big backgrounds, me yammering about each and everything. I might just do a few videos like that just to like say hey, you know, so it's kind of a trip now with the neighbors and stuff and everything worked out. I've got from 7 to 10 a.m. to do stuff that's like site related. So I got the 3 review posts ready today for today. Anyways, for me, it's like my whole setup with time has changed, but it's good. It actually, this ended up being a really good thing, so I like that. Ooh, just a couple little buggers in there. Yeah, you're not gonna come out on your own. You're gonna be difficult. Come on, you. There's one. This is kamaboko. Kamaboko is fish cake. I've seen more than once people say, there's some kid must have been playing in the factory because there's a little toy inside. It's like, it's a piece of plastic. It can't be food. There's no way. This is not food. It's like, yes, it's food. It's just food you're not used to. Embrace it and enjoy. It's what you gotta do. It drives me nuts. Here's the udon. Okay. That I'm actually liking. I'm impressed. I remember a long time ago, this was on my top 10 list. That was years ago. Broth. Groovy. So this one has the tempura. It also has, it does have tofu. Like kitsune. Little pieces of it. And it's weird. It's spongy and it's sweet. It's got these little things. I don't know. It's like flour food, but not flour. Somebody knows what that is, let me know. And then we have Kamboka. I'll do a little bit right here. Tempura. You know, I always liked it crunchy, but now I think I like it the way I just made it much better. I don't know what the official way you're supposed to do is. Oh. Somebody's smoking a cigarette somewhere nearby, and I'm next to the pantry, so you know what that means. All smells, it's like all roads lead to Rome or whatever. All smells go to our pantry. So I made that spring onion with the holy slicer earlier. I guess I could go with a little sprank. Some seeds. I don't know if that's really the right thing to do. I'll throw some shichimi on it too. Why not? But there's so many other Asian instant noodles that I love so much better than Tanuki Udon and Kitsune Udon. So many. Those, when I get those in subscription boxes, it drives me nuts because it's like, I don't want to touch them. I never want to review them. This one, this is really unique. I've never had this weird 40th anniversary version of it. It's really the same as the standard one, but it's like, nah, give me something weird. Give me the good stuff. Give me like that like vegetarian Tantan Man or Dan Dan noodle, or just the weirder the better. I mean, come on, make it rough. Good. Let's rotate. I think that's probably the correct thing to do at this point. Let's see. Can we do that? So funny. There you go. By the way, I put the correct music on my phone here. Udon. No, fast forward, you stupid thing. There you go. Happy times. Well, she still hasn't finished her lunch. It's been Hans the Ramen Reader wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.